Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you log into your GoDaddy website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to log into your GoDaddy website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you just recently set up a GoDaddy account and you signed up for a website builder, they have a lot of different things going on their website, and you might not be able to find out where the GoDaddy website builder is. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on the GoDaddy account home screen. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy account, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to get into your GoDaddy website builder, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. First off, usually right here on your business, you're going to see an image of your website with the URL. Just go ahead and click on there. If you don't see that there, I'm going to go over a different way to find this. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu on the left, but you want to scroll down until you see this little section, your website. You can see mine is published. And if you want to get to the website builder, you just click on edit website. Okay, so now I am in the GoDaddy website builder. Let me go back to the GoDaddy account home screen and show you a different way to get here. Okay, here I am back again on the GoDaddy home screen. And to get to the website builder, another way you can do it is you can click right here on my account here at the top. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on websites. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see all products and services, and then you're going to click on websites and marketing. Once you click on website and marketing, you're going to look for your website. Mine's right here. And you want to click on manage. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the same menu we saw earlier, and just scroll down until you see this edit website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to log into your GoDaddy website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.